Michaela Vernava for NESN.com, joined today by sports betting analyst for OddsShark, John Campbell. And John, as I'm filling out my bracket, and I'm sure a lot of other people are, I want to take a look at the West region for March Madness. Who do you think is going to be the biggest upset in this region?
I've got Northern Iowa, the number 11 seed, upsetting Texas here in the first round as a 4-point underdog. I think Northern Iowa, I think, is just one of the most dangerous seeds here, seeded lower or seeded higher, in the tournament. They went 12-1 over their last 13 games, and they beat UNC back in November, which gives you an idea of just how good they are. And they had some health problems earlier in the year where they went on a 1-6 stretch, and this is an indicator where they once they got over that, they were back to their true selves, and I think they're really dangerous.
Who would be your Cinderella from the West?
I've got Northern Iowa as my Cinderella here as well. Another team that people are talking about is Yale. They do a lot of things well. They rebound. They've got a lot of talent. The one worry I have with them here is there's been a lot of controversy over the recent expulsion of their captain Jack Montague, and I'm really concerned of how that's going to affect the team and what that storyline will do to them. So a lot are looking at Yale. That one makes me a little too nervous, and Northern Iowa is my Cinderella here in this region.
Well, who would you have as your winner making it to the Final Four coming out of the West?
I've got Oklahoma, the number 2 seed, coming out of here, and this is one where I'm just going with pure talent. They've got they're so good. They can score with anyone. They can kind of play whatever style you like, and I've got them getting through the West.
John Campbell, great advice. I want to encourage everyone to head over to OddsShark for all their sports betting info throughout March Madness. Thanks so much, John.